As the large language models have left the laboratory and come into the public limelight, a lot of issues are popping up. One of the major issue is the hallucinations. In order to cater for the hallucinations, one idea which popped up in numerous papers or discussions was to increase the context window of the LLMs, which at very high level in simple words mean that stuff as much data as possible into the LLM and let LLM take care of it. We all know that large language models have been around for a while, but in last couple of months, this idea of increasing the context window of these transformer based models have been gaining traction. For instance, Anthropic has released their Claude model, which has a context window of 100K, whereas OpenAI's GPT-4 model has context window of 32K, whereas the GPT 3.5 was only 16K context window. This looks good at first. I mean, the idea of a large context window, but lot of studies, such as the one you can see on your screen, show that this is not always the case because increasing the context window decreases the quality of the answers given by LLM, and it actually increases the risk of hallucinations because of decrease in this quality. This paper, which is from Stanford, where Liu and other people have shown that these LLMs often encounter difficulties in extracting valuable information from their context window, especially when the information is buried inside the middle portion of the context. So, the larger your context size, the more this issue will arise. Also, this paper shows that the LLM actually started to struggle to separate the wheat out of a long, incoherent context where numerous documents are used as input to the model, and that this problem intensifies as the size of context increases. So, if you go through this paper, and I will include the link in video description, you will notice in their findings that when they measured the performance of LLMs on natural questions or NQ datasets containing genuine queries made to Google search. Each time the model is given a set of K documents with precisely only one of them containing the answer, while the other K minus ones are distractors, then whenever model's context size was increased, it performed suboptimally. And then there are a lot of other studies which show the same thing. So I believe, and which has been proven by a lot of other studies, that it is always a good idea to give LLM relevant document instead of just stuffing it with all the garbage in. So, and I believe as the time will progress, this will become the norm. I'm very keen to hear your thoughts on LLMs using the long context or the large context. If you have any, please share in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.